in White Lion Safari. We have a total of 6 white lions and the other group is came from France and they all arrived here in year 2018. So all these lions are males and they are siblings and they are 6 years old. So meaning they are still considered as cubs or babies, ma'am sir. Ilahang maturity stage will start at age of 7 and once mag-matured na sila, they can roar up to 8 kilometers. And if you are wondering why they are not that wide, because they are eusistic animals, meaning naa sila ability to adapt the climate or environment asa sila nagstay nga makahatag og changes sa ilahang color. But still, they are white lions gihapon tungod sa ilahang eyelids ug sa ilahang chin na gihapon ang white complexion. Ilahang diet is 5 to 8 kilos of meat for each lion every day. Yes, ma'am. And it's either beef or chicken, bloodless and featherless. So ilahang lifespan nila is 10 to 12 years in the wild, but in captivity, they can survive from 20 to 25 years. Then also, they are nocturnal animals, so maong dili kayo sila active during daytime. Yes, sir. Then, they will sleep 16 to 20 hours a day.
Ah, pensionado din sila.
Yes, pensionado.
Uy, panapo, uy, panapo.
So behave lang na sila or dili na kayo sila aggressive kay wala man gud sila female sa ilahang habitat.
Okay.
Yes, mo jud makahatag nila gumod once na female kay lamtong awayan or ilugan. And then born captivate naman pud sila in Germany and then bloodless na pud ang ilahang food.
Nagkuhan siya, nagsanbating.
Mga Francis